Okay guys, before I introduce myself and before we go on this journey, I just want to point out one thing. Look at the size of that. This is like comparison, I guess. My leg. I could fit inside this thing. Will she fit?
Will she fit?
Boom.
Bam.
Nice.
Chicken wham. It worked.
What's up guys? My name is Jason Wolfer, and again, this is
Leanne.
I don't know if again, I haven't posted the last video. I was doing laugh yoga. Hopefully that will be up before this video. We are on our way to Michigan. This is on the journey. We're gonna hit all 50 US states.
In 4 days.
In 4 days, so challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
But first stop is Michigan. We're gonna make our way up to the Warren Dunes, spend our day at the beach, then hang out tonight with my cousin who lives in St. Joseph.
Drink lots of coffee.
Yeah, today Leanne got her coffee because can't go anywhere without the coffee. Peace.
We have done, what, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, Ohio, Indiana, and now Michigan!
Yeah, so we made it to our 7th state.
Yes!
We're just crossed the border and we are about 13 minutes from the Warren Dunes. So we'll catch you guys there.
Inside the thing you just got. I'm not sorry.
We just stopped at our first gas stop. We are like 5 minutes away, so we're gonna get there.
Yep, and climb some dunes.
Apparently you don't have to wear masks here, but I mean this is just our first stop, so if you're coming to Michigan,
throw this away.
When you say you feel low and good things are hard to.
Where are we?
Indiana. Just kidding. We're in Michigan!
Okay, so we just got here to Warren Dunes State Park. We're about to check it out. It is like 95-ish degrees.
Yeah.
It's pretty hot.
Very hot.
She didn't know there was a beach here, so that's exciting.
Thought we were just climbing up some dunes.
She thought it was all about sand dunes, and that would have just been way too hot because we're big water people.
Too bad I brought my dune shoes.
Alright guys, 2 things, actually 3. Got graham crackers on our way to the beach.
Look at that ocean view.
She thinks it's the ocean. It's not the ocean.
The great ocean.
We had some sunscreen in the back of my truck, we thought, and then it was empty, so we don't have sunscreen.
Yeah, grab the baby oil instead.
Yeah, here's to getting a little sun today.
Cheers.
Cheers. Leanne's over here looks like the McDonald's guy.
I guess my dune shoes didn't work out.
Her dune flip-flops didn't work because the sand's way too hot. At the water, we're about to get in. It's so hot. So that's where we set up. That's where he came. Any other information? It's $7, $9 to get in.
Yeah, $9.
$9 out of state. And in the ocean, lake.
Yep.
Lotion.
The great ocean. Alright guys, so we're walking into this great ocean. This here place is pretty hot. How are you feeling, Jason?
I'm feeling good. It looks like it's going out at a very shallow slope, so that's good. The water is super clean, super clear. You can see the bottom.
It's a beautiful bottom. Don't see any sharks in here.
Ooh, it's nice and cold and refreshing.
Ready?
Oh, that feels so good.
So we're trying to find Chicago.
So from the Warren Dunes, if you look across, you should be able to see Chicago. It's a little hazy today, but it's usually right over there. Maybe it'll clear up a little later and we'll be able to see it. We'll keep you guys updated, let you guys know, you know.
Alright guys, we're gonna go looking for manatees.
In the lake?
In the Great Ocean.
The Great Lake, the Great Ocean. All right, here we go.
But now I pay the price I do. I can't forget you, you're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day.
Good morning.
Morning.
We're on our travels again. Last night we got a little caught up.
We're gonna go to Mackinaw Island. It's 5:30 a.m. right now, and get some coffee.
So last night we had a little bit of trouble getting some footage because it got super hot and we just wanted to chill. So we just came, hung out with my cousin, saw St. Joseph, went through the whole city, and saw the awesome sunset.
Yes, it's so pretty.
And just hung out with family. So today we'll definitely try to get more footage. We're gonna hit a coffee shop up this morning
Definitely.
for all Leanne's coffee followers.
We're way up in America. Right here. Almost to the UP. This guy came from here. I came from all the way down here. And we are going here. We're at a bagel shop. What is this place called? I don't even know. Grand Rapids Bagel Shop.
So we're here to get some bagels and coffee for Leanne, and then we're gonna hit the road.
For Leanne! This is for you and me.
She's trying to get me a drink coffee, but I won't do it. I won't eat it either.
I'm gonna put it in your drinks. Mix it with your OJ. I got me an egg and cheese bagel and some delicious coffee that I know you're gonna want to share with.
I'm definitely gonna want to share with. No psych.
Liquid gold.
Nice.
4 hours to Mackinaw Island.
Yay!
We just made it!
Yay!
Okay, so we just got here. We found free parking, or we didn't find it, but they have free parking. It was a 4-hour drive from St. Joseph to here. 5 hour? No,
hours.
Yeah, and then we stopped in Grand Rapids to get some coffee. And actually ended up getting bagels. But you guys know that because you just saw that.
I could eat some bagels now, actually, for lunch. And some coffee.